Okay, we have a particle moving on a straight line and we're told that the displacement given by s is this. So it's in terms of t, time. And we have to work out an expression for the velocity of this particle and then work out the time when its acceleration is instantaneously zero. No problem. So the velocity, part A, velocity is the rate of change of the displacement. In other words, we have to differentiate the displacement. So it's ds by dt, which is, bring 3 down, multiply it. 3 times 2 is 6. Take 1 off the 3 is 2. So you get 6t squared. Same thing, bring the 2 down, multiply it. 2 times minus 12 is minus 24. Take 1 off that, leaving t to the power of 1, which is just t. And 7t just differentiates to 7. Okay? So that's it. That's the expression for the velocity. Right, the time when the acceleration is 0. We're going to need an expression for the acceleration to solve this. And the acceleration, A, is the rate of change of the velocity. So we have to, in other words, dv by dt. So we have to differentiate the velocity, which is that. Which can also be written as d squared s by dt squared. Because we're differentiating the velocity, so we're differentiating this. So we're actually taking the second derivative of s, the displacement. I know this looks funny, d squared s by dt squared, but that's how we write the second derivative. So it's fine. Anyway, have to differentiate the velocity, which is this thing. So 2 times 6 is 12. So you get 12t, which is t to the power of 1, minus 24. And the 7's gone when you differentiate. That's it. That's the, sorry, we haven't answered it yet, have we? That's just the expression for the acceleration. And it wants the time when the acceleration is 0, so we have to set that to 0. In other words, 12t minus 24 is 0, because the acceleration, that, is 0. Solve that and we get the time when the acceleration is 0. So that's easy. Add 24 to both sides and we get 12t is 24. Divide both sides by 12 and we get time is 2, or 2 seconds. So that's the answer to part B. When t is 2, the acceleration is 0. That was a nice question. No problems there, right?